What's up everyone, welcome back. About 3 months ago, About 3 months ago, I created this photo for my arts class at university. Basically what we had to do was create a photo with some elements of trickery, and this is what I came up with. I kind of liked it, so I decided I'm gonna make a little vlog and try and make another one today. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Last night it was raining a whole bunch, so I was thinking today we can go try and find a puddle and recreate the shot. Also, check out this in-car camera setup. Look at that. Got the camera here on a tripod on the floor. So yeah, we're just in this big bus parking lot and I found this puddle right here. You're gonna want to set up the camera on a tripod so you get two shots that don't really move, and then you're just gonna match them together in Photoshop. What I did was I set the camera on a 10-second timer, and then I ran around to where I was supposed to be and waited for the camera to take the photo. And then the next part is to take your shoes off without moving them so they stay in the same spot and match up to the previous photo, and then go around and take the photo again with just the shoes there. And you'll have the two photos that you need to edit later in Photoshop. It is so hot outside. It's crazy. But the good thing is we've got the shot now. I'm gonna head back. Actually, we've got two shots now. We're gonna head back, stitch them together in Photoshop, and we should have a pretty dope looking shot at the end of it. I really need to think of a better setup for the car than this. Now we're back and we're just gonna put the photo into the computer. Okay, so we're just gonna import all of the photo. Give me a minute. Much better. Alright, let's get into it. What you're going to want to do is import the two photos into Lightroom. Then right click on them and press edit in Photoshop. Once you're in Photoshop, make sure to unlock the background layer, turning it into a regular layer so you can copy and paste it over top of the other photo. Then just double check to make sure that they're aligned, and then all you have to do is select the top layer and grab the lasso tool and make a really rough outline, just kind of touching the edge of the shoes. This can be super rough, so don't worry too much about it. Once you have the selection made, all you have to do is press delete and you should have the photo ready. Just zoom into the shoes so that everything looks good. Double check that there's no pieces of the shoe cut off or anything. If there is, feel free to use a spot healing brush or a clone stamp or anything that you need that could fix it. After this, bring it back into Lightroom so you can play around with the colors and add a cool look to it. So after I took that photo, I brought it back into Photoshop to try and get rid of the buzz because I thought it looked a little bit weird, it was a bit distracting. So I had to go at it with the clone stamp tool. I think it is slightly noticeable, so I brought it back into Lightroom again and added a vignette and some blurs around the edges to try and smoothen it out and make it less noticeable, and this is what I came up with. Dope, I think we're good. Thanks for watching guys. I would highly recommend trying out this type of photo. It's super fun and easy to do. And if you did like the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.